Good afternoon, everyone. Now I will continue to talk about the method of diagnosis of the disease. First, we can use antibody detection. These tests are used to detect Ebola antibodies in a blood sample that develop in response to the infection. Second, antigen detection. These tests detect Ebola antigens in blood samples. They typically can detect antigens within a few days after symptoms such as fever begin. Next, we can also use RT-PCR, reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. This molecular test look for Ebola virus RNA in a blood sample. RT-PCR of blood is now the standard method used by International Health Organization to diagnose acute Ebola during outbreaks. Next, I will be explaining about the transmission of the Ebola virus. Scientists think people are initially infected with Ebola virus through contact with an infected animal. After that, the virus spreads from person to person, potentially affecting a large number of people. The virus spreads through direct contact with blood or body fluids. The objects contaminated with body fluids, infected food, bats, or non-human primates. Semen from a man who recovered from the disease, the virus can still remain in certain body fluids, even if they no longer have symptoms or severe illness. Now, let's look into the severity of the disease. Ebola is a rare but deadly virus. As the virus spreads through the body, it damages the immune system and organs. Ultimately, it causes levels of blood clotting cells to drop. This leads to severe, uncontrollable bleeding. During this epidemic, Liberia lost 8% of its doctors to the disease. The epidemic also had a great impact on children. Nearly 20% of all Ebola virus disease cases occurred in children under 15 years of age, and an estimated 30,000 children became orphans during this epidemic. That's all for me. Thank you.